What's up, my little riders? I'm back at Regina's house again, you guys. This is the third time this week, and how many whoop! I almost dropped you guys. How many times has she come to visit me?
Low riders, take me a little higher.
She's saying hi to you guys, to my low riders.
Low riders, say hi to low riders. Up, up, up. Where's my little thing at? Where's my little thing? Where's the little dog?
She's trying to get the dog to hop up on the counter.
Up. Get your ass down. You know you ain't allowed up there. Get down. I get down. Get down.
That's a big old dog, you guys.
He a medium dog. He's a medium dog.
You guys, I got up this morning. I think I was up at 6 something. Just laid in the bed, then I got up and prepared my laundry. I'm not gonna do it today. I do laundry on Tuesday.
You prepare
But
your
guess
laundry?
what? I sure do.
How do you prepare your laundry?
You sort it all out. You know what's gonna get washed. You get your hangers together and all that stuff. But I also purged my closet. I took a bunch of stuff down that I need to take to Goodwill. But guess what? It's still in my room. I should have put it in my car. But I'm gonna go to my other closet and take a bunch of winter stuff that I haven't worn in a long time. Take that down there too. You guys, I had so many hangers left over. So many freaking hangers of stuff. You should never, ever, ever say anything, because I could take this camera right on back there.
You came out the closet.
Oh shit, I ain't never been in the closet. I like men's.
Yeah, I like the penises.
Yes, the appendages.
The appendages.
The appendage. Why is he talking like this on my YouTube channel? See, you gotta watch the company you keep.
That part.
Right there. Right there.
That part.
They done warned me about her, you guys.
Hi.
But anywho. Okay, my lords, you came to Walmart looking for one thing, and then here I go putting the lens wipes in. And then, of course, I got to stop and get my Dr. Tills, you guys. So, yeah, but what we were originally there for was he wanted a, what is that thing called? It's like the thing that has all the little balls in the different colorful balls. And it's like has a little tunnel, a maze thing that my granddaughter could go through because she turns 1 on Wednesday. And he's having a little something for her. So we're here looking for the ball pen thing. And of course, the one that he saw was online. You can only order online. So we came to the store just in case they had it here. But they didn't. And we looked because he really wants this for her. So when I got home, I went online. No, I didn't. Not when I got home. I went down to customer service, and I did ask them, did they have that item in stock? So she looked it up, and she said it's only sold online. So it was not in the store. We saw smaller ones that we could have got. However, he is set on the one that he wants. So even though we wouldn't get it on time for her birthday, he's still going to order it, and she's going to have it. But we started looking for other stuff for her, like some clothes and little toys. I did get her a couple of little toys. Did I get the outfit? No, I put the outfit back because I'm going to go to Carter's and get the outfit. Because Carter's be having some good sales and their stuff is really, really cute. But right now we're just walking through Walmart looking for toys and stuff. Okay, my little waters, we're pretty much done in here, so we're gonna head over to Five Below and see if they have some party decorations in there. We did a quick walkthrough in Five Below because there was really nothing in there. No party decorations, and what they had was not, it was a no, hard no. Very hard no for us, so we're gonna go to Party City. I believe we have one in our area, in my area somewhere, and did they close it? I don't know if they closed down Michael's or Party City, one of the two. But I'm gonna go where I know that both of them was at. So we'll find something. We have time. It's not gonna be a big birthday party. You guys, after Five Below, we went to Fat Burgers and got us a big fat juicy burger, and it was fire. My low riders. After I ate that burger, I did not want to do anything but go home, put on something comfortable and free-flowing, and find a movie. But no, I had to come to the grocery store because I needed some cooking oil and some ranch. Because you guys remember those wings that I seasoned yesterday? I'm frying those tonight. And I'm not cooking anything else with it. Just the meat. Because I'm going to be lazy today. Because I can. Don't judge. We listen, but we don't judge. You guys remember that chicken that I seasoned yesterday? Oh, this one got to be turned over soon. This is that chicken. It's good, huh? Okay, my lords, I like to put green onions on top of my wings. It gives it a different flavor. It tastes so good. And of course, I have to have a strong soda to go with it, you guys. And the soda of my choice today was Diet Pepsi. And you can't have wings without hot sauce. I love that crystal hot sauce. Gotta have it. And then I have my ranch on the side, you guys. I am going to demolish this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.